Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the important information for Monday, December 7th, for Tuesday, December 8th, and for Friday, December 11th. Okay. You have two assignments. You have what is called the Chapter 4 summary. It's right here. The PDF is in the assignment. So you need to complete the assignment by showing all work. You need to then upload one PDF document. On the assignment, there are the answers. Below the assignment, you'll see that there are YouTube videos linked in that are detailed versions of the exam or of the explanations for each problem. So it says check your work here, so please check your work there and make any corrections that you need to before uploading your PDF. Our second assignment is right here, and that is the Chapter 4 review homework. It has a similar procedure. The PDF is linked in there. You will need to then show all work and upload one PDF file. Same thing, the answers are on there, but then linked in right below the assignment are videos from YouTube that are me explaining each and every problem that has an explanation. What I mean by that, there's some problems at the beginning where we're just answering some basic vocab questions. You'll see that I skipped those. The answers are listed on the paper for you, but I didn't feel the need to make a video of me just reading them out loud. Please note that those are due December 11th, and that is Friday evening by midnight. Okay. Underneath the assignments also, you will see that I just have the Chapter 4 test put on there, and that is on Monday, December 14th. So 1 week from today. There is nothing that is in this assignment right now. It is really just on there so that it gets onto your calendar. We will do the same thing as we did with last chapter. It will be open at 8:45 a.m. and you will need to complete it by 3:45 p.m. Okay, so you will need to check back on Monday, December 14th. That will be the next day that there will be a new module posted, and there will be the Chapter 4 test in there. That format will be very similar to the other tests that we've had, where we have a module of several different Canvas quizzes with time limits that we will need to go through. But we've now had our Chapter 4 summary, we've had our Chapter 4 review homework. We had 2 review homeworks last week that are preparing us for that. So those are the things that should guide you in your preparation for the Chapter 4 test. There are Zoom sessions this week. If you take a look at those, there is a Zoom session today at 2:30. Keep in mind these are optional, that you can come up and ask questions. Please do so. Do 2 things before you do. First, remember that the last 4 sets of assignments that you've had, they've had complete videos of all the answers. So if you have not watched those, please look at those. The other thing you can do is just to help cut down on time. If you Canvas message me what problem you're going to be asking about on what assignment, I will have that loaded up and ready to go in my app so that we don't have to spend time with me looking to pull up the right assignment. Okay. Keep in mind that you have, if you have not done so already, you have 2 assignments from last week that are due on Monday night here on December 7th from our last module. So if you have not uploaded those, you want to make sure that you get those uploaded. I wanted to give you an extra day so you would have another Zoom time to come to if you needed to ask some questions. We will also have Zoom tomorrow at 2:30, and then we will have one Friday at 2:30. Notice that there is not going to be an additional module for Friday. This one is for Friday as well, because all we're doing is our review work and getting ready for the Chapter 4 test. Okay. If you have any questions, please Canvas message me, or I will see you at one of the Zoom sessions. Have a good day.